Okay, so right now, I'm gonna put this egg on that stump over there. Then I'm gonna shoot it with my BB gun right here. If you want me to shoot other stuff, send requests on the comments and stuff, and if I have that stuff, then I'll shoot it, depending on what it is. Okay, so that's what it looks like when you shoot an egg with a BB gun. Like I said I would. Actually, now I can look at what happened to it. Here's what happened earlier. And the other one's somewhere around here. Anyways, that's what happens when you shoot an egg with a BB gun.